In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up custom invoice templates in QuickBooks Online. Having a custom invoice template is a simple way to make your invoices look professional and consistent with your brand. Let's walk through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll have a personalized template ready to use on your future invoices. First, we need to navigate to the Custom Form Styles area in QuickBooks Online. From anywhere in your account, go to the top of the screen and click on the gear icon. This opens up a menu with different sections. In the column labeled Your Company, look for and select Custom Form Styles. This is where all of your invoice, estimate, and sales form templates live, and it's where you'll create new ones or edit existing ones. Next, let's create a brand new style. In the upper right corner of the Custom Form Styles page, click on the button that says New Style. A small menu will appear. From that menu, choose Invoice. This tells QuickBooks that you're creating a template specifically for invoices, not for other forms. Now you'll see the customization screen, which is divided into tabs. We'll start with the Design tab. At the top, give your template a clear name, something that will make sense later, like Standard Invoice or Wholesale Invoice. Then, adjust the visual elements. Upload or change your logo, pick your brand colors, and choose fonts that match your business style. As you make changes, QuickBooks will show a preview, so you can see how the invoice will look to your customers. When you're happy with the basic look, you can click Done to save, but we'll keep going and refine the content first. Switch over to the Content tab. Here you can customize the header, the table in the middle, and the footer of your invoice. In the header, decide which contact details you want to show, such as your business address and customer information. In the Table section, adjust how product and service details appear. You can add or remove columns like quantity, rate, or custom fields, and change their order by dragging and dropping them. In the footer, you might add payment terms, thank you notes, or any important reminders. Take a moment to review each section so your invoice says exactly what you need it to say. There's also an Email tab. This controls the email message that goes out with your invoice. Customize the subject line and body text so they sound like your brand, and make sure the instructions are clear for your customers. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, click Done. Your new invoice template is now saved and will appear as an option whenever you create a new invoice, so you can select it and start using it right away.